It's lunchtime, the sun is shining. I'm off to get a bite to eat. Been having lots of technical issues this morning. Can't access my business's shared drives, which is a bit tricky because I'm trying to do all my handovers to the other PMs for while I'm off. It's my last day in the office today before it all kicks off, and probably my last day in the office for the foreseeable, as I'm moving so far away. Right, let's go and see what's on offer for lunchy poos today. Outfit of the day. I've got my John Lewis oversized fuchsia pink wool coat, I think, with a missing button that I got caught in the Costco trolley about a year ago, and I don't know what I'm doing with buttons. It's pulled a little bit, it needs a proper repair job. So wearing that. I've got my multicolour Alexander McQueen scarf that the wonderful Winnie BLV sent for my birthday last year. Wonderful, love you Winnie. Got my hot pink M&S for I needed a bit of brightness today. Jacket, just a plain black V-neck top, my John Lewis belt, my new one, my black white stuff jeans, and my M&S lug boots. And I'm giving Miss McQueen and my precious tiger a little run out, and I'm starving, so let's eat. From the little cafe around the corner, I got this vegetable, harissa vegetable tagine with some veg, and there's some rice under there as well. I am so hungry, it's ridiculous. I'm really hot, I'm gonna have to ditch the jacket. That's better. Gotta say, my hair's looking very, very scruffy, but I am digging the cut that Stacey gave me. It's just a shame that I won't see her again. Last day in the office before the big move. Exciting, terrifying, all of the things. Cheers. Let's come around this way a little bit. Cheers. Oh yeah, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. One of my favourite foods of all time, broccoli. My owies from Daisy are healing up. Yeah, and I've got a banging headache. I'm counting down the minutes to my next set of paracetamol. I've got 33 minutes to go till I can take another dose of paracetamol. Basically, I had the worst night's sleep possible, and I don't know why. I kind of woke up at 4, and then I was awake for a good hour, something like that. I think something woke me up. I think I coughed or something and it woke me up. But once I was awake, I was awake. Like, brain started kicking into gear. This morning, I was such a zombie before I left the house. I was thinking, oh, I should do my Harrods advent calendar before I leave the house, because then I can see what scent of the day I'm going to have. But I basically sat on the edge of the bed. The lion said, "Are you okay?" I sat on the edge of the bed just like, trying to work out what I was going to wear today. And then I thought, all black, shot of hot pink, bubblegum pink, to give it a little pop of colour. I know not everyone likes that phrase, pop of colour, but I like it. Pop, 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 pop of colour. And my fragrance, I went with my Gucci Gorgeous Gardenia. Yes, and the lion said, "You smell good," before I left. I've got a holiday coming up, like time off holiday coming up. So I've got a couple of days off before the lion's off. And so I'm going to be doing some loft things. We took apart the spare bed. Excuse me. We took apart the spare bed, not because we needed to, because the removals man are going to do all of that, break down furniture and stuff, but because we wanted to make space in the spare room. I wanted to break it down, clean everything, and then use that as the dumping ground. Put all the boxes, everything from the loft, everything like that, put it all in there, so it's easy for the guys to move out. And as we were doing it, the sort of the plastic connectors holding the slats together, they'd all broken down the middle. Down the edges they were fine, but they'd all disintegrated, just complete. There wasn't a single one that was intact. So the slats were kind of, should be meeting in the middle, but they're all kind of like that and what have you. So basically the frame is gone. So we're going to take that to the tip tomorrow. I'm glad we noticed that now, because it took a while to actually sort out cleaning it up, because there were just tiny little shards of broken black plastic. Water, stay hydrated, kids. Tiny little shards of black plastic everywhere, so to get all of that up. So we have got a lot more room, and we need to buy a bed when we move, because it's our only spare bed. I think I'm going to sign off for the moment, because you don't want to see what's going to happen next. Ooh, we've got a visitor. Hello, Lily. Hello. Are you trying to tell me something? Are you trying to tell me something? Is it? Oh, hello, beautiful girl. Oh, come here, Lily. Look. Look at me. Lily. Come on. Whew. Hello, beautiful baby. You just want... Yeah, you just want biscuits, don't you? Current state of affairs, cat's biscuits feeder. We've got some things packed up. We've got the box out for our coffee machine, because that's very precious to us. The Magimix has gone in its box. The Kitten's got a new Christmas gift early, so we built it because we thought we'll build it and then we'll let them move it for us, and we can put it directly in their room. And I think, if you can just see, there's a little daisy on the, hello, on the chair there. So, Lily, oh yes, yes darling, are you hungry? You're always hungry. Alright, let's do the biscuit feeder. Come on then. Oh, are you excited? Are you excited? Oh, here comes Daisy. Hello baby girl. Now, this is quite funny. Daisy always comes to the biscuit feeder. As soon as I press the button, she goes away again. And then she comes straight back. So let's get her, Aww. Lily, have I taken too long, babies? Scratching me. Lily's on here like a shot. Just one dose for the babies. Daisy, are you going to have your biscuits? Come on. Poor little things. They're quite stressed out. Anyway, kittens aside, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone for all those wonderful birthday messages you sent me. I really, really appreciate it. I haven't been able to respond to every single one of them yet, but I have read them all, and thank you. Thank you very much. I am thinking about having an official birthday. The restaurant we went to was really special to us because it's where we were married, and we had our wedding breakfast on the boat, us and our 40 guests. But Christmas parties is such a nightmare, and the Lion said that we have to move my birthday. We have to move my birthday because it's just too much with all the Christmas parties going on. Yeah, so service, food was tasty. It wasn't the best it's been there, but service was absolutely shocking. But we were sat right next to a table of like 40 people, so yeah, let's not be having a birthday. Where's my December babies at? Come on, tell me my December babies. Let me know in the comment section down below. So thank you very much everyone for all your comments. Yes, the tumble dryer is on at the moment because I decided today would be a good day to change the bed sheets. Ooh, don't I look red in the face? Okay, that was a delicious hot chocolate. Not only does my office provide an excellent coffee machine, that excellent coffee machine makes excellent hot chocolate as well. Yeah. It's very difficult not to go there twice in an afternoon, and generally speaking I try not to go even once in the afternoon, and I've not done any hot chocolate B-roll cutaways for you. I don't think I've got any hot chocolate at the moment. I think it all went out of date. I'm going to get some hot chocolate in the new place, and as soon as we're in, we're going to make some hot chocolate, and it's going to be delicious. Might even get some of those tiny little marshmallows. Anyway, I am beat. It's been just hectic. I can't wait for this all to be over, frankly, so we can put our feet up, have a little glass of fizz, celebrate the new house, and put some proper decorations up, because that's not proper decorations, is it? But what is left to do today is to get into the advent calendars and then carry on doing more house stuff. So let's go candy kittens first. 12 says halfway to Christmas. Sweet. Day 13 says friendly reminder, you will have to buy Christmas presents eventually. Not this year. And Amelia, I'm sorry, I saw your comment about not wrapping any prezzies, because I do that in my Vlogmas. I wrap prezzies in my Vlogmas. The only prezzies I had to wrap this year were for my Gordy Gang Secret Santa. This is the one with apple in it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And I couldn't film myself wrapping those because the Gordy Gang, we all watch each other's videos, so it would have been a bit of a giveaway. Aww. Exactly the same ones. That random distribution thing didn't work out too well, did it? Day 7. You are not doing your job. Okay, I may have forced that a little bit, but Drunk Tree is not doing drunk this year. And it's been letting me down. And I think you were disappointed as well. Number 7. Okay, number 7, right at the back here. Wow, this is a big one. It's number 7. That is a big box. Ooh. Something in a pouch. This feels like 2 things in here. What's that say? Bodacia. StyledByGwenny here. I know it's Boadicea. I was having a bit of a brain fart. The Victorious. Oh, right. Exciting. Let's get in that. So I chose day 7 of the Harrods 12 days of Vlogmas because it is day 7 of Vlogmas. I don't think I've mentioned that yet. So item number 1, please. This is Glorious. And this is... oh, look at the colour on that. This is Bravery. This is a twofer. Can you see the colours on that? This one, Glorious, is quite clear, and Bravery has got that really kind of orangey kind of colour. Right, Let's see, let's do one on each wrist, shall we? Let's go in with Glorious first. Anything on the tasting notes? Bodacia the Victorious, Bravery and Glorious. Glorious. No, nothing helpful. Okay, let's, where's the, oh, they've got little tops. I didn't realise that. I was looking for the little spritz hole. I am wearing the top half of Christmas PJs of Christmas past. This was last year's Christmas PJs. This year's are in the wash. Ooh. I say that a lot, don't I? I spray perfume and I just go, ooh. Must be very annoying. Okay, so it's got that kind of oody undertone again. That was quite fresh going on. I think that's kind of a lighter side of the heavy stuff that we've been having. There's more evening-y fragrances. And this one is, oh, I know what this smells like. This is Bravery. This one, oh, no, it's a mix. It has a little bit of Dior Hypnotic Poison again. Dior Hypnotic Poison, yeah. But it's kind of mixed in with something a bit more citrusy. Oh, that's very interesting. Let's pop these back on the side. And let's do the homemade advent calendar. And today's homemade advent calendar thing is that the right way up? It is the right way up. This is all butter, Scottish all butter shortbread fingers, because I love me a little bit of shortbread. And I spotted these in M&S and I thought, I'm going to try them. I'm going to try them. I'm going to need them. I need the energy boost. That's what I keep telling myself when I go for a little tasty bicky treat. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying these. This is going to be me all night now. Right, got loads to do, so I'm going to sign it off there. The next Vlogmas, day 8, all things being equal, will be last Vlogmas in this house, in this room, with this setup. And then we'll see what Vlogmas day 9 brings.